Here's everything you need to know as a tenant on how to sign into your tenant portal, how to communicate with your property manager, how to submit maintenance requests, and all things as a tenant. So first you're going to want to sign into your tenant portal. If you don't have a login, just contact your property manager and they can send you a link with a new login. Here's what your tenant portal is going to look like. Here you can view your current lease, you can make a payment, and you can add maintenance requests. Let's start with setting up some auto payments. So you're going to navigate to the payments section. Here you can update your payment methods, you can make a payment, and you can set up your automatic payments. Just select set up automatic payments and follow the directions on screen. Also on our left side navigation, we're gonna wanna add our payment methods. Here you can add your bank accounts, which is what's gonna be used for ACH payments, or you can add a credit or debit card. All you have to do is fill out this information and save the card. Then you can use these payment methods to make a payment and set up your automatic payments. You can also view all your transactions here. Here you can see your rent and your posted balance. Now back to the home page, here you can submit a new maintenance request. Fill out a description of your maintenance request and then add all of your attachments. You can select the urgency or leave it at none, and then make sure to check if you're okay with permission to enter and press OK. Now your maintenance request has been submitted. If you're on the home page, you can navigate to maintenance, and here you can see the status of your maintenance request, such as processing, pending, waiting for a work order, closed. You can also select new maintenance request here as well. You can click on communications to be able to view all the different communications that you've had with your property manager, but all of this is going to be sent either through text or email. And to adjust any of your settings, you can go down here to your profile, select this ... button, and then go to settings. Here you can edit your basic information by clicking on this button. You can change your name, your number, your email, your language. Whatever language you select is going to be the language you receive all your messages in. And you can change your password here.